Good day guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you the process of changing the interior lights on my Lexus LX570 from traditional halogen bulb to LED lights. So, let's open the box and see what we have got. Changing the lights is pretty easy process if you have the right tools and know where and how to use them. Let's start with the trunk light since I am closer to it. Using this plastic tool kit which I bought from Amazon, I will open the trunk light housing. Do it very gently and don't rush. These tool kits are easily available on many other online selling stores at very reasonable prices. So make sure to use plastic ones instead of any metal tools to avoid any scratch or damage to your vehicle interior. First bummer here. So, unfortunately I didn't know that the bulb used in the truck compartment is of a size which was not included in my order. I will close it back and move to roof light. Changing the roof light is easy, but I have managed to invent another bummer here by pushing the light panel so hard that it released the light fixture out of its lock and moved from the place it should be. Now I have to open the complete housing to fix it back. So here is word of advice. Do it gently. You can see the cool white light is so amazing than the previous yellow light. Moving to side doors. Starting from rear right side door. All of door lights will fit 194 LED bulb. Now, moving to right side front door. And, of course, the process is same for other doors on left side. Changing pedestal light is the simplest task. All you have to do is to reach the light behind the pedestal panel. Once you reach the light holder, you will have to twist and pull the light outside. This also fits 194 LED light. Simply replace the bulb with LED light and fix it back. Simple as that. The center roof light also fits 194 LED light. Easy to change. Same as door lights. I forgot to mention that the rear roof light fitted 3175 LED light. Now, lastly, changing the roof lights at front. Same as center roof light, this also fit 194 LED light. Do remember always that halogen bulb gets pretty hot in just few seconds. So be cautious when replacing them with bare hands. I would suggest to use rubber gloves when touching the recently powered halogen bulb to avoid any burning. So, now that I am done, I think it looks really nice. New cool white light in the compartment looks amazing. I am loving it. Hope you guys will too once changed in your car. Thank you for watching the video. If you found the video interested, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more.